How to wash a car. All you would need is car wash soap, hose, a towel, and a brush. Plug your hose into your brush and turn it on. Once water starts to come out, it's good. Start by wetting the car. Make sure you wet the whole car. This helps loosen up any stuff on the car. I will get back with you after I wet the whole car. I finish wetting the whole car. Now add the car soap. And then start scrubbing the car soap on. Scrub it all over the car. There should be a bunch of little bubbles. I'll get back with you after I scrub the whole car with soap. Here is the car after I scrub it with soap. The next step is to rinse it off. Take your brush and turn it on. Start scrubbing with the water on to get the soap out. Make sure you get all the soap off. If you don't get all the soap off, there will be soap stains. I'll get back with you after I've finished. The next step is just to dry it with a towel. Here is the end result.